for this day, okay, before that, yesterday what I did it was these things created not found component module, and this one changed port of local stack. Unfortunately for this part I was stuck due to ports changes. It took me a couple of minutes, and also I added here okay, this should be the not found component that I should have mentioned earlier. And also I was updating this certifications component, but I was not able to finish. Now I will continue this and will update the login form, and if I finish those things I will pick features here. Okay, before I start I will of course enable my timer just to make it time boxed. Okay, we'll start now. We'll continue this with this, and what I need here is to go to home and resume and work on this part. I will disable this I mean these elements for now, just to make it easier, because I needed to scroll just to see these certifications. Now I can play with these things. I'm not so sure how I will make it I mean more beautiful, but I guess I just follow what I did before. I mean, with this color scheme and the styles. So for the size, the height would be 150 pixels. So I'll go to the necessary files. It should be here in the resume, in here. The height would be, it will be, okay, I couldn't find it. This certification, this one. The height will be 10 rem. Wait, I forgot the actual dimension. What was it again? It's 100. Okay, it should be 15 rem or 150 pixels. Okay, now I have this view. I also need to update this gray thing. It should be 150 as well. But what I can do here is create variable, and it will be certification height, which should be equals to 15 rem. Now I can reuse that certification height and apply here as well. Okay, it's working as expected. What I need to do as well here is to update the text, of course. So these dates, I mean, at the bottom should be, of course, at the bottom. But to do that, okay, I will test here. This will be display flex direction column, justify content space between. Yep, I think this would suffice. But let me add a padding 1 rem. Now it's a bit better. I will copy what I just added and put that in the details in here. Okay, the updates that I need to change as well here is okay, in my old portfolio I was using H2 for the title, so in here it should be H2, but I don't think I really need the div anymore. Yep. And for this one, the provider, it's H2 as well, and for the date it would be H3. So this one will be H2 and this will be H3. Okay, it looks a bit better. Hello, Mario Resho. Thank you for sharing the stream. Are you watching? um, I think I'll add some contents here just to make it a bit better. I'll open Heidi SQL. Hello, Arame! Thank you again for sharing. Shout out to my, I don't know if you're not really my cousin, but yeah, you're my pamangkin. I'm so old. Wait, shout out to Arame again. So, going back. Um, oh, I was trying to modify the contents of the certifications. So going here, um, to replicate better the contents here, I could not really um, I mean highlight and then copy because of these effects. What I can do is to just uh, add some lorem ipsum text here. Lorem ipsum dolor, whatever. I forgot the fourth word. Oh, it should not be a duplicate. And JavaScript course, Angular course, React course, and Vue course. So my objective here is just to have a longer message. Udemy. And for the description, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Let us view what will happen here. If now it's, I don't know if it's better, but it looks a bit cleaner. If I try to make it smaller, it will fall into this view, which is like I don't know how to describe it. It's simply flowing from top to bottom. Hey, shout out to Mark D. Thank you for liking. But I don't like this. There's some UI bug here. As you can see, if I try to hover on it, there is some grayish effect. I'm guessing it's because of the transition, because if I try to move the mouse again, now the background color will be a solid green. So to take advantage of, I mean to fully get the right effect, you need to um, continuously move your mouse. Anyway, that should be enough. Okay, for this description, I should make this bigger as well. I will go to the description in here. Instead of using paragraph, I can use let me quickly try this H3. Does it look good? I don't know. But okay, I'll try to apply as well this option. No, sorry, this one, and put this in the certification. Now we have, it's a bit ugly, don't know why. There's some overlap. I mean, it's detecting something extra here. I'm guessing it's the padding. Yep, it's the padding. Okay, I want to style it when it's hovered, so I can use this technique. And in here, what I can do is to, it's already display flex, but the height, I think the height is okay. What I need here is to, oh, okay, so it's not the one. Okay, so I should be targeting the link. My bad. Where is the link? Here. This is the one I need to modify. Now we have this effect where the description will be on the topmost, but I'm guessing the padding is still not enough because they are the gap is too large. What I will do is to add more padding here. Padding 2 rem. Oops, not that one, but it should be the link. Padding 2 rem. Okay, that should do it. And for the link, I mean for this one, the color should be white. Yep. But I need to add class here. Class link URL. It's not really a URL, but I don't have any better name for now. So color color light, that would be white. And okay, the padding should be 3, but it will have a less padding on left and right. I should also apply here. Okay, I think the padding here would be 0.5 rem. I should make it uniform. Hey Bronson, thank you for sharing. Shout out again to Mr. Bronson, the #1 sharer in the Philippines. AKA Boy Tigas. Now it's looking, I don't know. Maybe if I have a longer description, it would look better, or I don't know. So let me just put here a long text. I will repeat this sentence. Okay. Save it. I will also add it here. Okay, it's not that bad. That will do for now. Hello, John Cullen. Thank you for liking the page. Shout out to you, bossing. Okay, whoever is looking at these things, I don't know if they would have any idea on what these details are. Does it look okay? What I'm missing here is the border. Border. Where is the border? Or a shadow? I'm not seeing here a shadow. Shadow, di naman. Shadow. Oh, back shadow. There you are. Okay, I hope that it will work. It should be in the details. Okay, let me quickly try. There's a room for adjustment later. Okay, I think we have the shadow. I can remove the solid border of black. This one. Okay. Not perfect, but it will do. Oh, some things are not right here. It's overlapping. Does it have a Z index? Anyway, that should not be the case. Is there a Z index here? Oh, we have a Z index here of 1. So that's overlapping with with the header. So in the header, I should make it a bit higher. There should be a Z index here. Z index. Nope, not in here. Wait, it's 10 already. Oh, in here. Should be 10 as well. Okay. This looks good. What? Okay, the difference is it's not rotating, but I'm noticing something here. There is like a gradient color. Oh, there's also an effect. If I hover, okay, that's good. I should also add an effect here whenever our links are hovered. I will go to hover that CSS, and look for an appropriate header. I mean, yeah. Okay, this looks good. Bounce to left. But what is the proper class for that? Okay, this library is very nice, but it's I don't have. I mean, I don't know what are the proper ways to add the class. So I'm just guessing that there is a convention like bounce to left. Let me just try. I don't know if you if you understand what I'm talking about. HVR. Okay. Okay, this is what I mean. There is a convention. I'm going to certification, and in here in the link I will add this effect just to test if it will work. I will go back and in here and hover to the link. It's not working. Why is it not working? Maybe I'm targeting class is hove skew grow. Why is it not growing? Okay, why is it not growing? Or it's already growing? I'll try another effect. Okay, I will try another effect in here. Grow. Hover grow. Just to make sure that I'm applying the class right, I will test it with another element. This one, or maybe this one. Class hover skew grow. Actually, there's some. I think it's animating, if I'm not mistaken. There's a transition in here. Transition. Okay, let me try to remove this and see what will happen. Surely nothing happened. Transition. So the problem here is if I try to apply a hover.css class in here, it's to an already hovered element. I mean the parent element. It's not working. What if I try it here in the actual certification? Oops. Did I copy the... I'm not sure if I copy a wrong... Okay, this should be the one I should copy. Hover skew grow. I don't have any idea why this is not working. But skew. I'll just try to add here a button and add this class. Okay, so the hover class is not really applying here. I'm not yet so sure of what might cause this. What if I make this a div? Unlike here, it's working as expected. Okay, let me try. Okay, I think I should not worry about the hovering for now. I mean, I can apply a hover effect, but not using the one provided by animate. Sorry, hover.css. So in here URL, I can apply here a hover as well, and the effect will be color. So this one I will just make this the background color instead, and the color will be dark. Oh, nah, maybe okay, let me try color dark. Yep, it's working. So there is a problem with my component integration with hover.css. So this should be enough. So I don't really need to invest time with that for now, of course. But let me just try if I add a padding here. Yep, it looks a bit better. And for the color, I'll make this primary. Yep. I should make this darker as well, the header. Not that great. I will try if I can add here a title. In the certification, if I try to hover this, oh, it's too bad because the title, oh wait, what if I make this position relative? Oh, the title is still a way off. It's in the above the quick brown facts. I don't know what is this behavior. With my other apps, the title is, I can easily control the position. I'll do a quick Google search on why it's happening. HTML title position. Okay, if it's saying that do not use, I will not use. If you say so, I'll just remove this for now and move on course I need to return this, and this as well. Also, this one should be committed, and this one should be removed. Of course, unnecessary comment. For this property, I can create a mixin for this because it's a duplicate of both, and just in case I need to to update some information, then I need to update other place. So this is a good chance for you guys, if you're watching, to learn how to use mixins. Actually, I forgot how to create mixins. Mixins? Is that mixins? Mixin, and then the name. What is it again? Okay, certification mixin. Okay, I should not pretend like I know it. Hey John Cullen, sorry I did not saw your comment. But what are you saying about free template? I don't get it. I'm not sure if you're still watching. Sorry. Okay. I'll just drink something here. So guys, drink avocado.
Good.
I don't know if it is the one without sugar.
Maybe it has honey.
Okay.
Yeah, no, wait, it is.
Okay, sure. Okay, as I was saying before.
No sugar.
Okay, creating a mixin. Create mixin using SCSS. Okay, so instead of using this, I should use an ampersand. And in here, I can copy the code that I want to duplicate. So this one, but not, of course, not this one. I'll just pass here a right padding. So right padding, and this will be right padding. Now in here, I can add include, and then certification mixin. I will pass the right padding, which should be 0.5 rem. If I try this, I hope it will work. There's no difference, so I assume that it's still working. Now I can also use this for this one. But okay, it's certification height. Oh, it's different. Sorry, I should not put it here. Now in this mixin, we have display flex. Do we also use display flex here? Yep, we use display flex, flex direction column. Okay, so maybe it's enough. Certification mixin. At include certification mixin, and I will pass here 3 rem. Oh, I just realized I passed here an incorrect value. It should be 1 rem. Let me try if this will work. Looks like it's still working. But for the duplicate properties here, I can remove this flex direction column because it's already in here. And justify content center. Okay, maybe not. Align item center. Nope. Wait, I have a justify content and also justify content here. So it's overlapping. So I can remove this. And also this one. Background color. It's light, okay, different. Okay, now it should be okay. Yep, it's better. Hello, Aubrey. Thank you for liking. This should be enough for now. I will continue with committing my changes. Commit. Updated styles of certifications component. I'll go to my Trello board. Where's my Trello board? Here, and I can move this to done. Now what I need to do is to improve the improve UI of login page. What I mean by that is here. If I log out and do a quick login, our login page is so simple. Okay, I will base my login page with Facebook's. But you can suggest, guys, if you want to follow something else. And since nobody is commenting, I will just follow them Facebook's login page. I mean, not fully follow it. So in here they have this footer where we have lots of different things, but in my case I don't have any details here. Maybe I'll just put something like how do I say this, a copyright. Okay, that's the first thing I need to do. Going to the login page. Login page. Where is the login page again? Should be in the pages admin. Okay, in here. Sorry, it should be in the auth. Now I have this div. I should also add here div and footer, or maybe again another maybe inside this auth, and I'll create here a footer class footer. And since this is a footer, I can use HTML semantics here, footer. And for this footer, I will simply add a paragraph, all rights reserved 2020. For this, I need to later on I will convert this into a dynamic value. Class copyright all rights reserved. Copyrights, I forgot what's the proper. And in the footer class, I will simply add a background color of color light. Of course, I need to import the SCSS class. Import styles and the variables. If I go back, I am seeing here this all rights reserved, but what I need to do is I need to stick it to the bottom. Okay, in this auth ID, it should be display flags. Yep, just I should modify the flow, just flow direction, flex direction, sorry, direction is column. Now it's in here, but I want it to be at the bottommost. How do I do that? Okay, maybe before that I can copy the classes here, I mean the styles. So what is the okay, how do I get the background color? Okay, this is this one, back color is this. Let me quickly check. Oh, it's nice. And now I can make this better, this footer. I can add here a width of 100%, position absolute, bottom 0, height will be, I don't know, 10%. Display flex, justify content center, and padding of 1 rem. Also to make the size consistent. What was that again? Box sizing will be border box. For this padding, I can simply make this padding tab, but I want I mean, I don't know if the content got bigger. I want the bottom and the sides to have padding as well. So this should be enough, but if I go to Facebook's page, wait, it's not really white. It's not purely white. How do I get in here? Oh, it's white. Okay, it's purely white, but the text is different. It's grayish. color, and then this color. Oh shit, I forgot to copy the code. Okay, I'll repeat it one more time. Width will be 100%, position absolute, bottom 0, okay, left maybe 0, and height will be 10%. Or I can hard code it? Okay, I think I should hard code it. 8 rem, and the padding will be 1 rem. Okay, I think I don't really need to add what was that again? Display flex, because it's already centered, but just to be sure, text align center. And here, okay, but I think it's way off. Maybe I should reduce the height, because there's so few content. If I make this 4 rem, yep, that's a bit better. I'll make this 4 rem. Time check, 13 minutes more. And for the button, the button is blue. Okay, for the button, what I can do here is I'll just add whatever is my primary color. Color primary. Okay, it's this nice blue, default blue. And also they have this thing at the left. Okay, well, can I do that? Okay, to do that, I need to wrap this in another div. Or section, I don't know. Okay, this whole thing. And there should be 2 divs here. Class will be flex row, and I will add here this thing. Okay, it's looking better. The problem here is that this auth, wait, what was auth again? Okay, auth is the main container, and flex row, okay, this should be login wrapper. No, content, or auth content. Or wrapper. Display flex direction row, and the width will be 100%. And this one, so for justify content, space between, okay, maybe space around, or I think the space between would be easier for my case. I'll need to add a padding of 0 and 1 rem, or 5%. This will look very bad in mobile view, but I will deal with that later. You can copy paste this, and in here we'll add those things. Okay, I think I'll add here h1, and so this will contain code Gino, and another which is h2, some description. Okay, let me try space around. I will add a logo here. Where did I use my logo again? It was in the header. Header here. This one. I can reuse this in here. I need to add the SVG module. Oh, there's no logo. The question is why. Now I have this logo, but it's not looking good. I'll go to header and check if there's any class. Brand logo. Logo. Or is it here? Okay, so I applied a logo here. Logo, which I should also use here. Logo. Okay, it looks a bit better, the size. But I need this to be side by side. think I need to wrap this in another div. Just to simply center it. Oh, it's even worse. Okay, because of the extra margin 0, that was the cause. So I could actually, okay, never mind, I'll still wrap it. So class flex row, and in here I will add an inline style margin 0. For the description, I'm not sure what I should put here, but okay. Thou shall not pass. You need to verify your credentials first. This is too long. I'll need to limit the width. Width should be, I should add a max width of 40 rem. By the way, this is not responsive yet. Style, and I also need a margin top of 1 rem. I should make this higher, this thing, but I forgot where I should modify that. Should be somewhere here. Okay, this one. If I make this 5%, will it change something? Oh. Oh, what happened? Is there an absolute? Top negative 10%. It's not working. What if I add here a position? Okay. I'll add it here in the auth wrapper, and I can remove this. But this thing, text align right. Oh, it's not working. Okay, time is up. I will commit my code, but I will quickly very quickly change the text alignment here. Text align right, but it's not working. Okay, let me quickly do this. Justify content, flex end. Okay, but it still doesn't look good. Okay, maybe I'll leave this for now with this oh, I can actually make it center. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'll again name this brand. And I will copy all of this. And we'll copy this as well. Actually, it's not. The hover effect is not working. So weird. For now, I will okay, I will remove the non-working hover effect. So I will not get unexpected behavior in the future. Updated UI of login page. This is a better looking login page for now, of course. I mean, the end user will, I mean, the other user would not even see this. I will only see this part because it will be beneficial for me if I can do administrative stuff, but of course I should not expose this to the user, I mean to other. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. This is again day 17 of my 100 days of code challenge. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, I don't know, whatever. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for more. Thank you, bye bye, peace.